Good Monday morning. We're going to take a look again at this impressive storm system that's going to be forming in the Atlantic Ocean on Tuesday night into Wednesday. And one thing that's been consistent is it's going to be a strong storm. A lot of it's going to be out to sea, but we're going to be affected by the storm. I put out a map in my video yesterday. I made some slight tweaks to that today. I know last night I was contemplating, do I call the whole thing off or not for our area, but today I decided I'm not going to do that. And I'm just going to make a few tweaks. And let's take you through the last night's European model guidance right here to show you how the storm is evolving. So you can see the storm starts to develop on Tuesday morning down here, and just off of Georgia and South Carolina. And then if you notice here, it then starts to bring a precipitation shield into our region, which makes sense to me. This is what I was looking for. I think the main low is going to be out here, like I said yesterday, but I do think we're going to see some light to moderate snows for our area. What I did change was I do not think we're going to see the heavy snow over the New York City area. I kept that over here in eastern New England, but regardless, I do think we're going to see an accumulating snow event on Tuesday night into Wednesday. Here's the storm developing. Here's a low pressure center. That's exactly where I would expect it to be, not out here. This is on Wednesday at 2 a.m. And then finally on Wednesday at 8 a.m. you can see this area here is really getting the heavy snow. So extreme eastern Massachusetts and Cape Cod, which is eastern Massachusetts, is getting the heavy snow. In our area, we're getting snow basically from about, say, tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. So not a long event for us, but I expect a windy, light to moderate snow event. I'm still giving us a little more room to shift a little west, but at this point, I think this is pretty locked in at this point, if that made any sense. And this whole system's out of here by Thursday. And I don't know if it shows the pressure level here. This European model really has this storm blowing up. It has it going almost to the level of a Category 3 hurricane. But you can see the precipitation printout here from the storm, okay? So it's a very sharp cutoff. So this is over an inch in the pinks and purples. This darker green is up to a half an inch. And that's really, taking a look at this to the base, okay. This makes sense given where the low track is, and I think it does, given the precipitation printouts it's showing. And right here, I don't have it here. I want to show you the pressure, but but basically, my forecast is still on, slightly from what I had yesterday. So I cut out the red here. You can see by this great editing job I did. So if you remember yesterday, I had a little bit of red going into New York City. So I did have to make adjustments, but overall, I'm keeping most of this blue area up to 6 inches. Doesn't mean everybody's going to get 6 inches. It means up to 6 inches. So don't mistake that for 6 inches. And here I expect a foot or more of snow in these extreme eastern areas. I'll keep checking in. We'll see what the models look like today. But right now, I am confident a strong storm is going to occur. It's going to brush our area with some moderate accumulations for this time of year and some heavy accumulations for eastern Massachusetts.